Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm back. I'm back because I've been procrastinating doing my work, and all I can think about is streaming and how much I enjoyed it last night. It was a great feeling to finally start doing something that I've always wanted to do. I watch a bunch of streamers, and it's just so surreal to just watch it back and then see yourself you're there, you're doing it, you're like streaming. And I couldn't stop thinking about it, but I know I need to do my schoolwork. I don't want to fall behind. It's literally, it just started, school just started, can't fall behind. um so yeah, I'm just gonna be coding or whatever. I take a interaction designs at my college, and he has us using this website to learn how to code and web code. I'm a graphic design major, by the way, graphic design major. I hope this sounds good. Hold on, let me see. Let me see how this sounds. Let me see how this sounds. Let me text Grayson back. Hold on. I should probably do that. We also have a paper due on Thursday. So tomorrow, got a paper due tomorrow, and I have to finish this in, oh god, 2 hours. I have 2 hours to finish it. And oh my god, I really thought it was 6 pages, and I was gonna split it up. All right. So yeah, so there's a paper due. I thought it was 6 pages. That's what I was just telling Grayson. I thought it was 6 pages, but it's actually not. It's actually just 3 pages. So that's not bad. I can ploop out 3 pages tonight whenever I get home, or it depends on how long it takes me to finish this. But I'll be coding, so I never coded before. I started my first major in college was, yeah, oh god, had super stress, super stress. But now we good. Now we good. Now we up. Now we better. Oh, 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 ah, ah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. So Grayson still has a super long paper to do. Oh god, it gets worse. And he has two posts to do by tomorrow. He's dropped. Okay, all right. So, backstory. Backstory. He was he joined an American slavery class. I don't know why I'm clapping. He joined an American slavery class in college, and it's a 6,000 course. It's a 6,000 course class, and he just went down. He said, "There's no way." Oh my God! He joined an American slavery class, and in the beginning, it's a 6,000 course. So he was like, "Oh, okay, I understand that." He's a really good writer, though. He can plop out a good paper, anytime of day. But he just saw all the work, because we just started school, so or started this semester, not started school. We've been here, we've been doing this, but the semester just started, and he saw all the work that was due. He said, "No, there's no way." Oh my gosh. Okay, so college is already kicking our asses. Let's go. This is great. This is great. Um, Jesus. Yeah, so no more 6 page paper to do. That's great. We love that. Guys, I hope you had a nice one. I wanted to draw your attention. Purchase necessary. As per still, you need a dotted. I forgot about all the dotted stuff. Do I need do I need it now? Oh gosh. I hate coding. I like coding. I like coding. I like it. It makes me feel smart. I know I'm smart. It makes me feel like I'm actually making something on the internet instead of like consuming. Because, like, literally all I do is consume. Well, this isn't consuming. I guess this is making. But, oh, I never checked how it sounds. This is probably like, this is probably like, I hope it's not scuffed. I'm just talking to myself, so it can't be that scuffed. Oh, yep, it shows that I'm live right now. We are live. Oh, look at that. Look at that picture. Look at him. Oh, yep, it shows that I'm live right now. Oh no, this sounds good. Oh, look at that. Look at that picture. Oh no, this sounds good. Alright. I'm the only person watching anyway. We straight. We in here. Let me Yeah. Yeah. I would drop. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I would drop. I would drop. I would drop. For sure. For sure. I'm sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Dang. Alright, so yeah. American slavery class is extremely super duper ooper duper super ooper duper hard. How do I show it won't let me. I don't think anyone's gonna be in chat, but just in case. Oh, we can have stats on here? Does stats show me Oh, stats shows me how my computer's doing. Good. It's doing good. It's doing it's doing good. Okay, I know. We're gonna put the U right here. And we're gonna show live chat. And then boom. Alright. So now, if you would like to talk to me, it will be in chat. Or talk to me in chat. Or whatever. Alright, so enough procrastinating. Game with Cam. Oh. This sucks, man. I don't know how this will fit. Oh. Oh. Dang, this isn't funny anymore. This is like really bad. We gotta do schoolwork. So, but yeah, we have a 3-page paper due tomorrow, and all of his work. Does he put the website on here? As Code Academy. Code Academy for CSS. That's what we're doing. And okay, he gives you the website, view assessment, Blackboard Ultra. I can't wait to be out of school. Hopefully one more year. This time next year should be my last semester. Gosh, I really hope so. I really hope so. Well, let's make you your own box and move you over there so y'all see my information. You know, I love streaming, but like I don't want to like already like fuck myself over. How do I probably should have checked this before. Hold on. Hold on. I don't think anything up here is like telling on me. Let's delete. Let's delete that off. That shows too much information. Everything else seems fine. Login. Oh god, did it not save? Oh, log in with Google. I think it's this one. Alright, so we're gonna go to. Is it projects? No, it's not projects. Oh god, I don't know how this works. Oh, I'm here. We're here. Does this show him the information? Any information, huh? Alright, I don't think so. Alright. So, ta-da! I did it. I'm doing this. Alright, so we got some lessons to do. I'm not gonna lie, I was kinda slacking. Hear ye. I was kinda slacking. And I did not finish this one. And we were supposed to learn HTML and learn, tables and stuff. Let me view the syllabus. What's the next thing he wants us to learn? We have tables. Yeah, see, I started, oh, here it is. Elements and structure. I started 20%. I was just like, man, I don't know about this one. I don't know. Alright, so let's see. I hope this still looks good. Okay. So, yep, it's due today. Yep. Complete 2 sections of CSS in Code Academy. Can I just type that in? Maybe type it in. CSS. Learn CSS. Yes. He said the first 2 sections to learn these. Beginner friendly. Oh my god. Why learn CSS? Without CSS, every web page would be drab plain text and images that flow straight down the page. With CSS, you can add color and background images and change the layout of your page. Your web pages can feel like works of art. Huzzah! You don't even hear the music. Hold on. I'm all over the place. Oh, the music's here. This is good. We only have one viewer. Holding myself accountable. The one viewer was me. There we go. Hopefully it's DMCA. Free. Oh yeah. We're jamming. Okay. And it's coming through my TV. Sorry if it's like super bad audio quality. Oh no, we need OBS. There we go. Alright. Takeaway skills. You will learn many aspects of styling web pages. You'll be able to set up the correct file structure, edit text and colors, and create attractive layouts with these skills. You'll be able to customize the appearance of your web pages to suit your every need. Prerequisites. I did not do it, but we're gonna keep on going because it's due today. What time is it? Alright, 1:28. Intro to CSS. While HTML is the fundamental structure of every web page, it can be visually unappealing on its own. Cascading style sheets, or CSS. Let's turn down the music. Is it too loud? I need to hear myself. Hold on. You gotta go back. Okay. And it's coming through my TV. Sorry if it's like super bad audio quality. Oh no, there we go. I think it sounds good. I think that's as good as we're gonna get it. Oh gosh. I don't know. situation and they will override you into a lower history. There we go. Because I think that's an easily explainable situation. I think that's an easily explainable situation. So it's not funny anymore because financial aid, of course, we're not paying out of pocket for college. And if he drops this class, he won't be a full time student anymore. So I said they could probably override it if you explain that you wanted to learn more about American slavery. Like, at the end of the day, like, that was the main thing. Like, even though it has nothing to do with your major, like, you wanted to learn about it. And that's, I mean, duh. But, like, once you see the workload, you're just kind of like, and it kind of, like, just hits you like, oh, no, I can't do this. And so, hopefully, I think that's an easy fix. We're only 3 weeks into school. We're not, like, that deep. Is this the 4th week? Yeah, this is the 4th week of school. If he like goes to someone today, he could easily probably get that. That it would be a little hard. He would probably have to play catch up. But for a regular class versus 12 pages basically of work that he would have to do in a week, right now, I think that's way better. But yeah. Whew. Intro to CSS. While HTML is the fundamental structure of every web page, it can be visually unappealing on its own. Cascading style sheets, or CSS, is a language web developers use to style HTML content on a web page if you're interested in modifying colors, font types, font sizes, images, element positioning, and more. CSS is the tool for the job. In this lesson, you'll learn how to set up your CSS file structure and select which HTML elements you wish to style. Bloop. Take a look at the code in index.html and observe how it displays in the browser to the right. Oh, I see. I thought this was something else. Okay, alright, cool. Copy and paste the following line of code onto line 5. Bloop. Walk. Flip. Run. What happens? Ooh, what was that? Oh, that's the style sheet. I was trying to say, is that easy? We learned style sheets in class. Someone had to code the style sheet for it to do that. But still cool. I didn't know it could do. This is like Squarespace, basically. It Squarespace's things. That's how people. This is how Squarespace got their shit together, huh? Mm-hmm. I want you. Sponsor me, Squarespace. Yeah. Alright. Concept review. Oh, next. Easy. CSS anatomy. I don't know if I'm reading all this, guys. I'll read like a basic, I'll read these 3 paragraphs. The diagram on the right shows 2 different methods of syntaxes for writing CSS code. The first syntax shows CSS applies as the rule set, while the second shows it written as in inline style. Jesus. 2 different methods of writing CSS may seem a bit intimidating at first, but it's not as bad as it looks. Notice how both syntaxes contain a declaration. Declarations are the core of CSS. They apply a style to the selected element. Here, the P element has been selected in both syntaxes and will be styled to display the text in blue. Understanding that a declaration is used to style a selected element is key to learning how to style HTML documents with CSS. The terms below explain each of the labels in the diagram on the right. I'm gonna talk to financially tomorrow, Friday. Okay. He's gonna talk to some people. Hopefully it works out. I think it's I think it's understandable. You know, sometimes things happen. Study the diagrams to become familiar with CSS. Oh, I can just skip. Nice. Like I said, I know I'm gonna be skipping a bunch and stuff like that and hopping back and forth. But I'm only doing that because literally every single class for the past 3 weeks, we just code. Like, we code for 2.5 hours straight. I didn't even mention this class is an 8:15 class. Like it ends at 8:15 p.m. And so I get it. I understand wanting us to do homework and stuff. But the reason why I'm skipping it is because a lot of this stuff he's teaching us in class, because literally for 2.5 hours straight, we're just coding and we're just going. And we're just going and we're going and we're going and we're going. Alright. Inline styles. Although CSS is a different language than HTML, it's possible to write CSS code directly within HTML code using inline styles. To style an HTML element, you can add the style attribute directly to the opening tag before you add the attribute. You can set it equal to the CSS styles you like applied to that element. Style equals color, red, blah. I'm learning to code. Woo! The coding in the example above demonstrates how to use inline styling. The paragraph element has a style attribute within its opening tag. Next, the style attribute is set to equal color red, which will set the color of the paragraph text to red within the browser. If you like to add more than one style within an inline, simply adding the style attribute, make sure to end the styles with a semicolon. Yep, we've done this. But I get it. He wants us to practice, Yana, practice. I really hate practicing. I just like learning and then like, give me a project. And then usually I struggle with the projects, or I do great with the projects. Alright. In index.html, use inline styling to set the color of the first paragraph, the first P element. Where's that at? The first P. And it also sucks because with this, it's hard to, when you use an actual coding software. So I think, oh god, I forgot what we're using, but we're using a basic one, and it will have the drop down boxes, and it will kind of like, kind of like Google does, it'll predict what you're about to type. That's another thing that's very helpful. I'm never going to code without that, and so this doesn't do that. And that's why I struggled so much with that first lesson. I only made it 16% way through. But whatever. What are we doing? Color green. Color. Is it equal green? Or is it another? It's another thing. Oh, semicolon. Alright, colon. Right? Run. Yeah. I don't know if you can hear the music for real. When I listened back to it, it wasn't all that loud, but it helps me. Internal style sheet. As previously stated, inline styles are not the best way to style HTML elements. If you wanted to style, for example, multiple H1 elements, you would have to add inline styling to each element manually. In addition, you would also have to maintain the HTML code with additional H1 elements that are added. Fortunately, HTML allows you to write CSS code on its own dedicated section with a style element nested inside of the head element. The CSS code inside the style element is often referred to as an internal style sheet. An internal style sheet has certain benefits and use cases over inline styles, but once again, it's not best practice. It's not best practice. We'll get there, we promise. Understanding how to use internal style sheets is nonetheless helpful knowledge to have. To create an internal style sheet, I know. Alright, let's move the inline style that was added to the paragraph into an internal style sheet. Start by adding an empty style element in the head of the index.html. Empty? What does it mean by that? Do I just do that? What? Did you add a style element to index? Huh? Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. Oh no. Maybe I don't know what I'm doing. It's not empty style to the head. Let's move the inline style that was added to the paragraph into the. Oh. No, I'm confused. I don't understand. It says move that, the one I just did, right? So let's do that. Let's do that. It was head. It was head. It was head. Is that what it was? What do you want? Empty like that? See, and this is what I don't like. What does it mean? Start by, okay, let's move the inline style that was added to the paragraph into an internal style sheet. I don't understand. Do I just put style? Oh. I don't know what it wants me to do. Oh. I'm stupid! Oh no! Oh no! I just had to read! I didn't read. So do we keep that? Do I need to put that back? Oh, will it still run? It still ran. Haha. Inside the style element, add a CSS rule set targeting the key element. You can leave the deck. See, I'm yawning so much, and this cold air is not helping. Oh gosh, I am like really. This stuff just makes me tired. Color. Oh, what do you want? Leave it empty, they say. Leave it empty, they say. Next place the set. The next place just the declaration from the inline style into the empty declaration block in the inline style sheet. Dang it, I deleted it. Yeah. I think it was green. I think that's what they want, right? Finally, delete the inline style. I already did that. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! We're moving forward! Okay. How many of these? Oh, thank God, 7. Okay. The last one, okay, another thing is, this number down here, you can see that, right? Yeah. This number down here, it was like 13. It wasn't 7. Some of them were, I think one was 15. And I was just like, how am I supposed to do that? How am I supposed to do that in an hour before class starts? Not doing an hour before class starts. But I got stumped at one of them and I just gave up. External style sheet. Developers avoid mixing code by storing HTML and CSS code in separate files. That's what we've been doing. So that's why I was so confused on the last one. We've been doing the separate thing. He never taught us, or maybe he did. He taught us, he probably taught us briefly and then we went straight into like the separate. You can create an external style sheet by using the .css file name extension like so, style.css. With an external style sheet, you can write all the CSS code needed to style a page without sacrificing the readability and maintainability of your HTML file. I think I'm going to make this stream short, by the way. I do want to say that. And I'm going to, once we finish this one, I'm just going to plop it out myself because reading out loud, it's giving me a headache. It's giving me a headache. This really did help motivate me though. I might start doing this when I actually need to do things. So, you know, study stream. Oh, yeah. Alright, so What was I doing? What was I doing? What was I? With an external style sheet, you can write. How's the lighting? Oh, it's not bad. You can write. You can write code needed to stop. What was that? Okay. Fuck it. I'm not reading it anymore. Take a look at index.html. Cut the CSS code rule set in between the opening and closing style tags and paste it directly into the file called style.ss. Hey, look, cut out the okay. Oh, just do I leave style though? Oh, delete it. Oh, I didn't put it and paste it directly in the style SSS. Yeah. This is what we've been doing. Yes. This is what we've been doing, guys. I know this one. This is easy. Delete the blah blah. Font changed in effect. Click the next button to find out why. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's groovy. Linking the CSS file. Perfect. This is oh, Jesus, that's a lot of words. Let's. We're skipping. I want to be done. Alright. Let's link the style sheet style.ss to HTML file index block. First, add a link element within the head. Is this what it means? I should probably go back up and look, huh? This is not what it means, because it's not working. Oh, is it self-closing? Bloop. Yeah, self-closing. See, I know that. Oof. I'll be putting that. Note that in the example above, the path to the style sheet is a URL, specifying the path. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, no, we're not doing path. We're just doing this, so. Bet. Ooh, this sounds grimy. Who did this? Who did this song? Yep. Next, add the href attribute to the link element. Oh. Finally, add the rel. Oh. That's what happens when you copy and paste, boys. Ooh, easy, easy, easy. Okay. Review. Great work so far! Woo! By understanding how to incorporate CSS code into your HTML file, as well as learning some of the key terms, you're on your way to creating spectacular websites with HTML and CSS. Let's review what you've learned so far. No. No. Take this knowledge to the next lesson, where you start learning how to select HTML elements to style. Alright, let's just click up next so it'll save, just in case like anything happens. Alright, we're on the next one. See, 14. Alright, well, enough of that. Hope you enjoyed hope you enjoyed this very quick stream. I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching. I just really needed motivation to push myself to do this, because I could not get last night and streaming out of my head. Like, literally, it's one of those things where you look at it and you think it's so far away or so out of your reach, and just to be able to be like, me and Grayson were sitting on the couch yesterday, and what time is it? So I'm not talking too long, because this whole thing is because I've been procrastinating. Alright, I could talk for 10 minutes at least. I mean, at the most. But yeah, me and Grayson were sitting on the couch yesterday, and I was just so, let's stop the music too. No music. Alright, so, bloop, blop. What am I doing? OBS. That's what. All right. So, yeah. So it's one of those things. Me and Grayson were like sitting on the couch, just vibing, just chilling, and pull my shade down. Just vibing, just chilling, and it's one of those things where it's like it felt so far out of reach, and then I just looked over at Grayson and I was like, "Hey, can you teach me how to set up OBS?" And we set it up same day, and I was like, you know what, I want to play Minecraft, and even if I don't stream it, I streamed it. Even if I don't stream it, I want to record it because I don't know. It feels like one of those things like this needs to happen. I don't know. I don't know. I got to get it out of my system, or I'll forever regret not ever trying, basically. And trying feels really good, guys. Um, I've never been so happy. And it's one of those things that if it motivates me to do schoolwork, if it motivates me to do schoolwork of all things, I know that this is something different. This is something special. This is something that I really want to do. Um, Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. I want to build, like I said yesterday, I want to build a community. I want this to be a safe space. I want to be able to be weird. I want to be able to be crazy. I want to be able to be very expressive because I feel like I don't know. I feel like I can't truly be that at the place, the surrounding area that I am now, and I'm a very kooky person, and I just really love talking. I'll just talk to myself, and that makes me happy. So, being able to talk to myself and having other people probably maybe listen, golden. So, thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, and if you just put this on in the background, that I'm still thankful. And yeah, I'm really in stream now. Goodbye, guys.